Imagine opening your wallet and pulling out a credit card that looks less like a bank card and more like a piece of jewelry, black finish, gold edges, and right in the center, a real diamond. But the most shocking part is not the diamond. It is the power behind the card. This is the Dubai First Royale MasterCard, one of the most exclusive credit cards ever created. You cannot simply apply for it online. You cannot get it just because you have a high salary. And for most people, even knowing it exists is the closest they will ever get. So why does this card exist? Who actually gets invited? And what does no spending limit really mean? Let's find out. In the world of luxury, some products are not designed for everyone. They are designed for people who already have everything. Private jets, super yachts, palaces, personal assistants, and lifestyles where time matters more than money. The Dubai First Royale card was created for exactly that world. By the end of this video, you will understand what makes this card so rare, why it became a symbol of extreme wealth, what benefits it reportedly offers, and why the richest people in the world do not just need money, they need access. Before we begin, subscribe for more videos about luxury, money, business, and the hidden world of the ultra-rich. But to understand this card, we first need to understand something important. For normal people, a credit card is a payment tool. For billionaires, it can become a status symbol. Why this card became famous? Most premium credit cards promise rewards. Cashback, travel points, lounge access, hotel upgrades. But the Dubai First Royale card does not try to compete like a normal premium card. It does not say, spend more and earn points. It says something much more powerful. You belong to a world where almost nothing is impossible. The design itself tells the story. The card is famous for its black and gold look, with a real diamond embedded in the center. Public reports describe it as invitation only and made for royal families, CEOs, and ultra-high net worth individuals. That is why this card became legendary. Because it is not just about paying, it is about being recognized. When someone pulls out a card like this, it sends a message without saying a word. This person is not an ordinary customer. This person is part of a very small financial circle, but the diamond is only the surface. The real power of this card is what happens after the transaction begins. No spending limit. But what does that mean? Many people hear no spending limit and think it means someone can buy anything in the world without questions. A mansion, a yacht, a private island, a jet. But in the world of elite banking, no preset spending limit does not usually mean unlimited money with zero control. It means the spending power is flexible and based on the client's wealth, banking relationship, financial history, and approval behind the scenes. For ordinary cards, the bank gives you a fixed limit, maybe $5,000, maybe $20,000, maybe $50,000. But for ultra-wealthy clients, a fixed number may not make sense. One month, they might spend on normal travel. The next month, they might buy artwork, charter a yacht, or pay for a private event. So instead of a public fixed limit, the bank gives them extreme flexibility. That flexibility is what makes the card powerful. And according to reports, Dubai First executives describe the card as being built for clients who expect major purchases to go through smoothly, even if that purchase is something as extreme as a yacht. That sounds unbelievable to most people. But for the ultra-rich, convenience at that level is not luxury, it is normal life. The real product is not the card. Here is the most interesting part. The card itself is not the real product. The real product is service. Because when someone is rich enough to own almost anything, the problem is no longer, can I afford it? The problem becomes, can someone arrange it for me instantly? That is where elite cards become powerful. Reports say Dubai First Royale cardholders may receive a dedicated relationship manager, available around the clock, to help arrange luxury requests, travel, events, and special experiences. Think about that. Not a normal customer service line, not a chatbot, not waiting on hold. A dedicated person whose job is to make difficult things happen. Need a private jet at short notice? Need a luxury villa for one weekend? Need access to a sold-out event? Need something delivered across the world? The card is designed for people who expect answers, not excuses. Pattern interrupt. And this is where most people misunderstand wealth. The rich do not only buy expensive things, they buy speed, they buy privacy, they buy access, they buy the ability to remove friction from life. That is what cards like this are really selling. Why banks create cards like this? Now you might ask a simple question. Why would a bank create such an extreme card? The answer is not just profit from card fees, it is relationship. Ultra-rich clients can be worth millions to a bank over time. They may keep large deposits, use wealth management services, take business financing, invest through private banking, buy properties, move money globally, and connect the bank with other powerful clients. So the card becomes a doorway into a much bigger relationship. It is not just a credit product, it is a loyalty tool, a status symbol, and a signal that says, "You are one of our most important clients." That is why invitation-only cards are so rare. If everyone could get one, it would lose its meaning. The exclusivity is part of the value. But here is the honest truth. A card like this can be fascinating, but it can also create the wrong lesson. Many people see luxury cards and think success means having expensive symbols. But real wealth is not the card. Real wealth is the financial position behind the card. A billionaire does not become powerful because of a credit card. The card becomes powerful because the billionaire already is. That difference matters. For most people, chasing luxury products without building wealth first is dangerous, because status can be expensive, but financial freedom is more valuable. The smartest people do not use luxury to look rich. They use money to buy time, options, security, and control. Let's bring everything together. The Dubai First Royale MasterCard became famous because it is one of the rarest and most luxurious credit cards in the world. It reportedly features a real diamond in the center, a black and gold design, and is available only by invitation to extremely wealthy clients. Its most powerful feature is not just the design. It is the flexibility, the service, and the access behind it. While normal cards focus on points and cashback, this card focuses on convenience for people whose lifestyles are far beyond ordinary banking. But the real lesson is bigger than one card. At the highest level of wealth, money is not only used to buy things, it is used to buy access, speed, privacy, and personal service. So, is the Dubai First Royale card the most powerful credit card in the world? Maybe, but its true power is not the diamond. It is what the diamond represents. A private world where banking is no longer about limits but about relationships. A world where the question is not, can you afford it? The question is, how fast can it be arranged? For most people, this card will remain something they only hear about. But that is exactly why it became so famous, because in luxury, mystery is part of the product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about money, luxury, business, and the hidden world of the ultra-rich. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.